Ni igongona ria kuririkana mutongoria wa gatatu wa bururi wa Kenya na riria rigwikinyitio ni president atatu kuuma Afrika ya muhuro, South Sudan, Ethiopia oro undu umwe na atongoria ngathi citiganite kuuma mabururi matiganite ma gitaru kia Afrika. Hari ndumiriri yake ya macaka ya president wa Afrika ya muhuro Cyril Ramaphosa ni agathiriirie itemi ria mutigairi Mwai wa Kibaki riria akoretwo akinyita hingo ya wathani wake wa kunyitithania muingi wa Kenya oro undu umwe na muingi wa gitaru kia Afrika.
We remember President Kibaki for the leadership that he demonstrated not only to Kenya but also to the African continent. We remember him for his commitment to the people of Kenya and indeed to all of us as Africans. But we especially remember him for his leadership in uniting the people of Kenya.
Niongereire na kuga ati mabururi maya meri no meguthie na mbere na gwikira hinya unyitaniri wao na niguo kugacirithia miturire ya aikari ya mabururi maya meri.
The relations between South Africa and Kenya continue to be strengthened in moments of celebration and in moments of sadness.
Mwena-ini wake president wa Ethiopia Salewe ne ugire ati rungu rwa wathani wa mutigairi Mwai wa Kibaki mabururi maya meri ni mahotete gukinyaniria imwe cia tabarira ta waki wa Rapset.
In the spirit of the remarkable ties that our two countries have built over the years, we will continue to sustain and strengthen the excellent relations that has lived to this day.
Sare ni agathiriirie Kibaki ta mutongoria uria urakoretwo akinyita itemi hari gucokia thayu mabururi-ini ma Somalia oro undu umwe na bururi wa South Sudan. Mwena-ini wake president wa South Sudan Salva Kiir ne ugire nginyanagia riu marerahira wiyathi uria waumanire na utongoria wa mutigairi Mwai wa Kibaki kuonania atongoririe mutaratara wa gucokia thayu na kunina witangi wa thakame bururi-ini ucio.
It is through the right of self-determination that today you see our first president of the independent free Republic of South Sudan. We can say with confidence that we owe President Mwai Kibaki special gratitude for giving us the freedom and the independence we enjoy today.
Niongereire na kuga ati no meguthie na mbere na kumatia ndugu yao na bururi wa Kenya.
Appreciates the relationship between us and Kenya, and it is through this relationship that we are here today to share with the people of Kenya the gravity of the shock that has come as the result of the passing on of President Mwai Kibaki.
Ihinda-ini riu Queen Elizabeth wa keri ni atumite ndumiriri yake ya macaka ya kurumirira gikuo kia Mwai wa Kibaki akiuga bururi wa Kenya ni uritwo ni mutongoria urari na wirutiri munene. Maya magithiaga na mbere president wa Tanzania Samia Hassan ni atangathite thiku igiri cia macaka ya bururi-ini ucio ni kurumirira gikuo kia mutigairi Mwai wa Kibaki. Samia augite macaka maya mekwambiriria umuthi nginyanagia muthenya wa rucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Kuria wa Gicimo.